Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Summers local and long distance movers near me. Our movers go to great lengths to help with office and residential relocation across state borders. Without professional help, packing, loading, and offloading your belongings from your old house or office to the new one may be challenging. For instance, fragile items may break, and smaller items may easily get mixed up in the pile of things you're loading into the truck. Our moving vans and trucks are always in excellent condition and ready to go each time we help clients with their relocations. Our drivers are also experts at meticulously navigating long distances and interstate roads. They've received the necessary training and are always prepared to provide an excellent long distance move for our clients. Our low cost local moving services are fully licensed and insured. Despite involving a shorter distance, we handle local relocations with the same zeal as long distance relocations. If there is a loss or damage during the process of moving your things to your new home, our insurance coverage will cover you. We hire skilled and experienced movers and drivers that provide the most exemplary local moving service possible. We also offer services that are reasonably priced. Our local movers offer low-cost services with a touch of elegance and efficiency. Our hourly charges range between $30 and $40. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Summers Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.